Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Allow it. As you leave your youth behind, embrace change, seasons, and growth. Do not cling to the past and want to relive it again and again. Aging, loss, and daily obligations are all part of our journey in this physical plane. Throughout it all comes wisdom, joy, and a destination for the soul. Allow it to unfold as it should, for you, your loved ones, and the evolution of humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you. So, if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things in your life you would never usually think about that are very small and just take for granted. Let's think of those things right now. I am grateful for the utensils I get to use. I'm very grateful for the cups. And I am very grateful for the walls around me to protect me from the weather. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.